Takumos best! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been so long since I uploaded my last video tutorial. Today I'm going to discuss how I am going to make ASMR video without using any microphone, just the KineMaster app. So this is the latest. This is the part 2 of our video. Let's go on. Let's open the KineMaster app. Let's create a video. Let's use the video that I recorded earlier. Click the media, then the camera. Choose this video. Okay, let's play it back. Takumos best! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, it's been so long since I uploaded. Not bad, but today I'm going to show you the best way to increase the volume of your video using just KineMaster app. First, you click this video and you click this icon here, the audio auto volume on, then increase your volume to 200%. Okay. Takumos best! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay. It's been so long since, but we can still increase the volume of this video. You click here, go to volume envelope, you drag it to the beginning of the video, you drag this 100% to 200%, then go to the last part of your video, you drag this to 200%. Let's try it. Takumos best! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. See? It's been so long. The volume now is very loud. So this is very essential for YouTubers like me and to all YouTubers that do not have microphone in doing ASMR video. That's it, guys. See you on my next video tutorial. Bye!